Hey, what's going on, viewers? Welcome to another video here on the Fish On Outdoors channel. Today I'm here at Apollo Beach in Tampa Bay, Florida, and we're going to be fishing for sharks and cobias. All right, it's pretty nice out right now. The tide is coming up and I got tons of cut bait, so we're going to get our poles in the water and see what we can get after. Don't go nowhere. It's going to be a good one, guys. Stay tuned.
He got a massive shark. I think so. Something good. Really something. Okay, guys, he got the shark. He got a shark.
Get closer. Come on, back in. All right.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Oh.
Come on.
He has the gas.
All right, guys. Watch the hook. Watch the hook. Watch the hook. Get him. Yes. Yo. Yes. Yes. All right, guys. We just got us a nice black tip.
Oh, he had a little.
All right.
Look, he has something on him.
Yeah, it's a remora. Keep them. That's bait.
All right. Yes. All right, guys.
Fillets.
We just got this nice black tip.
Oh, that's a nice one.
All right, guys, check it out. I just caught this nice black tip shark right here in Florida. Nice black tip shark right here in Florida, guys. All right.
Nice.
Check it out. All right. Perfect. A nice hook set on him. You guys stay tuned. If you want to see more content like this, stay tuned to the Fish On Outdoors channel. Hit that like and subscribe button to help out the channel. Yes! This is actually a bucket list fish for me, so all right. No complaints here. All right, guys, you stay tuned. Let's get this guy off the hook and back in the water. All right, guys, we just caught this nice shark. All right, so now we're gonna get him back in the water, guys. Stay tuned and be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. All right, guys, let's get him back. Sure that's a bull?
Yep. Watch your leg, brother.
Sure that's
Yeah,
Search up
I
a
promise
picture.
you, that's a bull.
Search up a picture.
That's a bull. There's no, look, his tail is not even black. On this hole on the black tip is all black. And look how stout, look how broad his nose is, like how bold it is. That's a bull.
That's a shark.
All right, guys. We just got a nice release on the shark. So stay tuned to the Fish On Outdoors channel. I'm gonna get some more bait in the water and see if we can catch another one. All right, viewers, we did pretty good today here at Apollo Beach. We landed a nice shark today. The bite kind of slowed down after we caught the shark, but hey, I'll take it. It was a good fight, great catch. So that'll be it for today's video. We're on our way back home now. If you want to see more content like this, be sure you like and subscribe to the Fish On Outdoors channel, where we bring you fishing adventures here from Florida and hopefully around the nation soon enough. So until the next video, guys, stay hooked. Peace.